Hey guys, Professor Rodriguez here, and we're gonna try to do this little recording session. Um, we're gonna do chapter 3, uh, starting out with Visual Basics, variables, and calculations, and we're gonna do this to try to see how this works for the rest of the semester. Right, as I said, chapter 3, variables and calculations. Right, here are the topics for this one: gathering text input. Then we're gonna do the text box control. Text box is a rectangular area on a form that accepts input from a keyboard. Tutorial 3.1 provides an example in the use of a text box. Right, and this is just a simple program here, right? You got your labels and you have your forms, and then you have another label. And you have at the bottom you have a couple of buttons, right? So the object of this is to put your name, right? And then you click show greeting, and it should say like Juan, hello Juan, right? And then we also have an exit button. So when we hit exit, it clears. So here we are in our form, right? I already have the label ups in the text box. Actually, it's two labels in a text box, right? It's one label there. That's your text box there where you input your name. That's the other label right there. Let's go back to here, right? You got your label, your text, and your other label. And I think we need buttons, right? Let's get 2 buttons there. There's button number 1 and button number 2. So we're gonna do button, second button, we're gonna call it exit, and we're gonna name the button, we're gonna name it BTN exit. And the first one is, we're gonna name it BTN show greeting. And then of course here we gotta name it show greeting. You hit enter, up, it doesn't show it, right? We gotta make an adjustment, make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Let's do the same thing for the other one. Right? Right. There we go. We made it the same size. Great. Then we work on the first label. Right? We're gonna name it enter your name. There you go. And we're gonna put it label 1. Right, we can leave it like that. The text form, right? We're gonna name TXT username. And then we're gonna go on the bottom and name it. Well, actually, let's fix the size on this. I want to make it a little bigger. 170. All right, let's give it. Then we're gonna go to here, the other label that we have, and make it label greeting. All right, and we're gonna make it a little different. So we're gonna make it. Let's make it a little 3D. Fix 3D here. Right, and we're gonna make the size. We're gonna make it false. That way we can adjust it to whatever size we want. All right, so let's make a little adjustment here for the size. All right, there we go. Make a little adjustment here, a little bit of adjustment here. Then we're going to make this blank. Gonna want to get rid of the label. We don't want anything written in there. All right, so what's next? All right, we have nothing there. We want to make it middle center. So when it runs, it's a middle center. So in settings, we make it middle center. So all we gotta do is with one button, really just with one name, with one line, we can create this whole thing. So let's do it. Label greeting, right? Dot text equals, we're gonna put hello, and then ampersand, the and stand, right? And what? What are we gonna put? We are going to put our text username, right? Text username dot text, right? I'm gonna put text username dot text, and you know I love my comments here, so let me put a comment in here. Display customize greeting to a user, right? So there it is, guys. It only took one line to do this, right? Label greeting.text equals hello and text username.text, right? And let's do the exit button now. Now the exit button, of course, we know it's just one line, right? Oh, that's not close me. It's, me.close. Oh, wait, let's put a comment first, close the form, and then we do me.close. And now we got everything, right? Let's run it, see what it's running. Now it's on the other screen. Hold on, let me drag it over. There we go. I want to put in my name, Juan, show greeting, hello Juan. Oh, well look, we got a little bit of a mistake there. It looks like we need to add a space there. So let's go back to show greeting, right? And all we got to do is right after the O, do a space, right? All right. Let's run it again. It's on the other screen, so I got to drag it. All right. And then I put my name, Juan, show greeting, hello Juan. There you go. That's how you do it, right? How many lines did it take? 2 lines, right? The text box can be accessed code or number. For example, the content of the text property can be assigned into labels controls text box property. Label info text equals text input.text. That's what we used for user name, and the contents of the text property can be displayed in the message box. So those are the 2 lines basically that what you need to do this program. See, that's one line right there, and that's the second line. That's all one line right there. Right? We took the contents of what's in there and we combined it with the enter your name and the hello. That's how we got just one simple line, guys. Just one simple line. That's all we had to do for this project, for this tutorial. Right? Simple enough. Clearing a text box can be done with an assignment. Text box equals text equals string empty. Assign the predefined constant string.empty. Replace with the text was in text input with an empty string. Or it can also be done with an input.clear. Clear is a method, not a property. Methods are actions. As in clearing the text, use the form object dot method. So how do we clear it? Right? Let's go back to our program. Right, now we need another button. So let's drag another button over. Right, and let's make it even. So now let's make the button, we're gonna call it clear button. And we're gonna name it, for the name, BTN clear. Right, all right. And then we just go into it. Oh, wait, there's too many stuff. Hold on. There's too much stuff here. Should not be here. Hold on 1 second. There you go. All right, I fixed it. All right, so then here we just type again a comment first, clear the form, right? And it's just one line, right? Text, username, right? The same as there, text username.txt, right? Equals string dot empty, right? All right. Let's go back to the design. Here it is. Let's run it. It's in the other screen. Let me drag it, right? Enter your name, right? Put enter your name, Juan. Show greeting, hello Juan, right? Now let's clear it. Oh, what happened? It cleared it from up here, but down here it didn't clear it, right? What does that mean? That means we have to clear both, right? We cleared that one, right? So let's put David, right? Hello David. But when we want to clear the button, it's only clearing this one, right? Let's do Alex, hello Alex, right? It's only clearing that one. It's not clearing the one on the bottom. So how do we clear that, right? Let's find a way to clear that because we want to clear both. We want to do it all nice and neat. So let's go out of here, right? Go back to our form and then type in labels greeting.txt equals what? String empty. That's right. String empty. All right, well, let's fix this here. I misspelled it. Greeting, right? All right, let's see. Hopefully that works. Let's run it. Go to our design, run it. Oh, it's in the other screen. Let me drag it. Right? All right, put my name, Juan. Hello, greeting. Hello, Juan. And boom, there we go, guys. That's how we do it. Right? We go in there and we cleared both the greeting and the text username. Set it as string empty, and that cleared the whole form. And that's how you do it, guys. All right, so what I want, so this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna do this, and I already provided a space in Blackboard, and we're gonna call it tutorial 1, and you're gonna upload your notes. Right? Let's go on to the next. String concatenation assumes the user has entered the name into the text box. Label greeting can say hello to any name found in the text box, just like we did. Label greeting, text equals hello, and whatever username that you put. Here they use text name, we use username. Append username and text name to hello, and the stores results in the text property of label greeting. Now, this is tutorial 2, provides another example. I want you to do this on your own, right? We have everything that you have there in the PowerPoint. You have your forms. You have how many text boxes you're going to use. You have how many buttons you're going to use, how many labels you're going to use. I want you to try to put, you put in the date, the month, the day, and the year, and it all comes out together. This is going to be something that I want you to do to try it on your own. And then once you are done with this, I want you to upload it in Blackboard where as tutorial 3.2. I'm gonna put on a space for this. So this is gonna kind of be like your homework assignment for now. And see, there's one thing I don't like about this thing because it just jumps around from one thing and into something totally different. This is just to make it even. It shows you how to design mode, how to keep it even. I think most of us already knew that, right? The blue guidelines appear for vertical alignment, lavender guidelines for horizontal. Just know this kind of stuff, guys, for the quizzes, because these are the kind of questions that's going to be on the quizzes.